in a world where innovation drives progress. One name stands out. Welcome to the cutting-edge world of 3D printing with the Loop Pro X Plus. This advanced 3D printer is designed to elevate your printing experience, offering a range of innovative features and unmatched efficiency. With large build space, modular electronics, and dual extrusion, it boosts your projects and saves time, effort, and money. Use the magnetic spring steel build platform to remove the model with ease, and with the use of revolutionary breakaway support, achieve the smoothest bottom surface you have ever seen. The active drying unit for material storage is in the cabinet below the printing chamber. Automated filament changeover system with 4 material slots enabling uninterrupted, continuous work. You can easily access the software through your computer or your phone, track the life cycle of the machine, and manage the print jobs remotely. Unibody aluminum casting and specially engineered mechatronics ensure high rigidity, minimal vibration, outstanding dimensional accuracy, and unparalleled surface quality. Revolutionize your business with Loop Pro X Plus.